Hey everybody, it's your girl Yvette here. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. So I don't know how many of you are aware of the fact that there have been so many times that I've been like this close to dyeing my hair. So now the reason why is not because I don't like my gray hair anymore. I absolutely love it. But the reason why I've been really close to dyeing it again is because I also loved when I had colored hair. I used to experiment a lot with different colors like rich browns and caramel browns, and I used to put highlights in it. I turned my hair red a few times. So I always used to mix it up and have a lot of fun. So now, I'm kind of stuck with just this gray hair. And then not only that, but I feel like when I flip through magazines or I see people who have really gorgeous hair color, I'm always like, oh, I do miss it. But I know if I were to make that commitment to go back to coloring my hair, I would be so upset. I am really enjoying my gray hair. It's just that sometimes I feel like I want to mix it up. So in today's video, I'm going to be experimenting with you guys with this product by Roux. It's R-O-U-X. And it's Fanci-full Instant Hair Color. I'm sure you guys have seen this in your beauty supply store quite a few times. The color that I got is called Spun Sand. And the reason why I got such a light color is because I was afraid that if I put a darker one on, because my hair is so white, it could potentially stain it where I would not be able to wash it out. So I did not want to experiment with that first. So I went with this really light color. And so essentially it's really easy to use. So here are the directions. They say shampoo your hair, which I've already done, rinse well, towel dry, shake the bottle, using rubber gloves, raise applicator tip of the bottle and apply close to the hair. Work color through the hair with fingers, then comb through to ensure even distribution and saturation of every strand. Then they suggest that you blow dry and style as desired. So I'll see if I'm gonna even go that far. I really would prefer to have it dry naturally. So what I'm going to do right now is change out of this sweatshirt, put on a raggedy brown or dark colored t-shirt that I don't mind getting stained, and we're gonna put this on together. Okay, so I have on a t-shirt that I don't mind if any color gets on it, but what I'm first going to do is, I don't need to put this color all over my full head because the back of my hair is dark brown. So I'm going to part it and just separate out the part that I want to have the color in. So, like this. And then I'm just going to put this piece in a ponytail here. So I have my plastic gloves on, and I got myself a little washcloth that I used to use way back when I dyed my hair and wanted to clean up my edges, so I don't care about that one getting stained up either. Gonna give this a good shake. And then I'm going to start distributing it onto my scalp. Ooh, it's very liquidy, so just to warn you that it will run all over. So make sure you don't have anything around that you would want this to drip on. So I think I mentioned that this is called Spun Sand. If I'm repeating myself, forgive me. But the only reason why I mentioned that is because it's already looking as dark as the back of my hair, which is pretty interesting. I thought it was going to be a little lighter, but then again, maybe you wouldn't even notice it if it was lighter. Oh! I am not in the mood today. I am not in the mood. So I think I've put enough in right now. I see that these front hairs are really hard to get this stuff to stay in. So I think it might be because my hair is still so wet. So I'm gonna go ahead and dry it, and then I'm going to apply some more. Okay, everybody, so this is the final result. As you can see, it is not as dark as it was when it was wet. I don't know that I would really describe this as blonde. I would think it's more like gray mixed with blonde, mixed with white, mixed with even a little greenish. I think I've had that problem before when I use developer and toner. So I like the fact that it has kind of toned down the white hair. Sometimes the white hair is a bit annoying, just on occasion. Sometimes I think it looks really beautiful myself, and sometimes I feel like, ugh, it's just too white. But I think next I am definitely going to experiment with the darker brown. I hope everyone is well and that you are staying safe, and I'll see you at the next video.